Hey besties, if wearing cute little outfits under a budget is your goal for your next trip, then you have landed on a very right video. In this video, I'm gonna include all the outfits which are affordable under a budget and they are cute as well for your next travel. Hope this will help. Starting with one of my favorite outfits, and my favorite color of the entire season has to be powder blue. I love this color recently and क्योंकि मेरी ज़िंदगी में ज़्यादा colors नहीं है, so I prefer wearing colorful clothes to make it cheerful that ways. I absolutely loved the fit and the fabric of the outfit. This is a bodycon dress which I purchased for rupees 350 from Borivali Market. If you want more details about this shop, let me know in the comment section. I will definitely make a vlog out of it. These heels are from another street market in Lucknow for rupees 350 only. I have this video on my channel if you want to check, and you can look pretty under a budget. This is a proof. Scots can be your best friend for your traveling days because it provides comfort similar to shorts, plus it resembles like a skirt which gives you cute look. I love these Scots which I bought from Urbanic a long time back, and I paired it up with this blue cutest corset top again from Bombay Street Market, Borivali, and it also costed me for rupees 350. And this is something out of nowhere things which I love to do, which nobody will understand what I'm doing, but it makes a lot of sense inside my head. I love to do this in the middle of the road. It just makes me feel free, obviously when the road is empty. Deciding bottom wear first is the very first thing I start to do while organizing my travel outfits, and of course you can never go wrong with pleated wide leg pants and with a bustier top which I brought again from Bombay Street Market. It provides a very nice coverage. The pads were amazing that you can skip wearing a bra and you're good with this one. I just loved the quality of this top plus the color. It gives me very chocolatey feel, and wearing one family color gives you another richy rich look. People lie when they say that you can't get good bottoms from street market. This bottoms are example that you can get very nice bottoms from a street market only. Guys, I just got ready for the dinner thingy. This dress, I wore it for my 16th or 17th birthday and I still love it. So I thought that there is only one night event which I have, which is like fancy dinner. So let me reuse. If you will give me any fabric to choose from, it will always be sequins. Ideally, this is not affordable one, but I saved a lot because it was from my birthday. Fancy one, yet not heavy on pockets. This is my favorite outfit and I can never get rid of it no matter how many times I wear it. But why to wear birthday dresses only once yaar when we can actually re-wear it? You can never go wrong with paperback shorts if you are someone who is petite like me, because somehow it complements our body type. I don't know why, and it provides the ruffle waistline, which are the cutest thing to add in your outfit. Also, I bought these shorts also from the same shop from where I bought the dress. And again street market, मैंने सारी shopping street market से ही करी थी vacation outfit के लिए, and like I think every outfit looked bomb.com. This was my take on looking cute under a budget kind of thingy with travel outfits. Let me know if you like it, and I'll see you in my next.